Hello and welcome to our toolbox. Today we'll have a look at the luminosity masks. In this way it's very easy for you to choose different parts of the image by the luminosity. As you can see here, this one we grabbed the highlights with a linear curve down to the grades. We can change the curves how we choose the parts of the image, and by this way it's really easy to select the part of the image to get an effect without manual masking. For this example, we now grabbed a lot of the dark parts and flatten up to the highlights. If we want to get a more warmer look to the image, I would now create here a photo filter, for example, with a warming filter, a high density, and this way we got in the dark parts. Look at this area of the image here. I will zoom a little bit in. We warm it up really easy by using our luminosity masks. We can do the same to get a more contrasty image with the highlights. So choosing the highlights and get the opposite color here with a cooling filter, for example. We see how this one affects the image without affecting the skin tones or the previous warmer toned shadow areas. And here we simply can go over the opacity to fix this area. So by this way we are really fast masking an image with the luminosity masks, and here you see what we created within a few seconds. That's the idea of our Picture Instruments Toolbox. Help you to make your work in Photoshop easier and faster.